I had some pizza delivered yesterday and I felt what a nice cardboard. It's nice and strong and good. So I thought of using it for crafting. So these long strips, which are about 1.5 inches wide, I'm going to cut them out and design my monogram for this. I'm using two pieces of cardboard for each arm of my alphabet so as to get it little extra strength. So I place them in my alphabet shape. I'm trying to make an A, and this way it will be forming. So I'll just put this together, glue them together, maybe put one piece in between and cover it, and then put one on top, basically so that it's nice and strong, and secure everything with some glue and paper tape. I'm doing this construction of my alphabet or monogram A on the floor. The reason is the tiles in my floor are square pieces and they meet at right angles, so I have a straight line going, which is the base, and a line going up perpendicular to it, exact 90 degrees. So when I place my alphabet here, I know that it is symmetrical. It is at an equal on both the sides. It meets here. So it's like this line is dividing my alphabet A also very symmetrically, so the shape will be perfect. Now because I started with rectangular bases, these are some extra jetting areas. These angles, they don't look very nice, they won't look professional, so I used my ruler to find out. This was like 1 centimeter from the lower line, so I also marked here 1 centimeter, and so I marked the lines where I need to cut them. After I have cut them, I'm just going to secure the open edges with some more paper tape, just the way I have secured all the edges. This is really nice, strong and sturdy piece of alphabet or monogram. So here I have a very sturdy monogram or alphabet A here. You can make any kind of alphabets that you want that will suit initials. So I am taking an old book page and I need to make rolls out of it. So I'm just folding it. I've already measured the size, therefore I'm just cutting them. So you can either measure how much you want and cut, or make such paper rolls and cut them to size as it pleases you. I just checked that this is the width for the stem of my alphabets. So I'm just cutting such strips and then just simply rolling them, and finally using a glue stick to secure it. So I need to make a lot of these. So I made a lot of these rolls, paper rolls, and I shall be using them to glue it here. So I'm taking some regular craft glue, which is nice and strong. I'm starting from one end. I want my rolls to run parallelly to this edge. Just one after the other. Making these rolls might be a time-taking process, but after that it becomes a pretty easy craft. Just neaten up the edges. It should look nice and neat. Next I'll do these portions. So here I have placed just the stem portion. Now I'll do these parts which are not as equal in these. So I made some of these longer rolls, and I'm going to place them in position and just mark with a pencil. So this portion is might be thin on the edges, so I just hold them in place and just mark a line like this, and I'll cut off this extra portion and then glue these in place. Similarly, I'll do the top portion. So here is my monogram all ready with the textbook paper rolls, and it's looking really nice. It looks like bamboo or cane or a wooden piece. I love this little bit of text showing through. They're different, it looks different, it looks textured, and it's really beautiful. Let's take it to another level. So I have some paper flowers and leaves. I'm sorry for the background noise. It's a bit windy today. So anyway, so I'm just going to glue my paper leaves and flowers. You can choose any color combination that you feel like. I just made these to give it a wonderful contrast, and I think this looks really beautiful and very sophisticated, and I think it will look great on somebody's door or wall whose name starts with A in my family.